Star Wars Rise of the Resistance is quite possibly the most technologically complex ride in theme park history, featuring multiple ride systems, elaborate sets, and clever tricks to immerse riders in this out-of-this-galaxy experience. The ride keeps the story going as guests roam deeper into Batuu and join the Resistance for an edge-of-your-seat adventure to outwit and outsmart the First Order. While the ride took Imagineers longer than expected to get this brand new dark ride just right, it's easy to see that it was worth the wait. Rise of the Resistance is the single most elaborate ride Disney has ever created and was part of a multi-billion-dollar park investment from coast to coast.
Welcome to Pennsylvania.
We're here in Philadelphia today, a city known for its rich revolutionary history, the Rocky movies, and cheesesteaks. And we're planning on experiencing as much as possible today.
Right now we're standing in Rittenhouse Square, which is one of the 5 original squares planned by the city founder William Penn back in the late 17th century. It's beautiful, and lucky for us, there's an excellent coffee.
So we just finished our caffeine fix, which was really good. I got a chai latte per usual.
Did you expect anything else?
And it was really good. It was spicy.
And would you expect anything else of me? I got a black coffee. And it was actually really good though. It was just a drip coffee, not a pour over or anything like that. And you can usually tell how good a coffee shop is by their drip coffee. And this one was actually really good.
Budgeting tips. I'm going to give you some tips to help you crush it at budgeting. And these tips will help you no matter what your income level is. So if you've always thought, I don't have enough money to budget, or if budgeting is particularly hard for you because you have a low income, then these tips will definitely help you. So let's jump into my list.
In this video, I'm going to share 8 mind-blowing websites you probably didn't know existed, starting with the first website called Whiteboard. There's no H in the whiteboard. Right off the bat, when you go to whiteboard.com, you can start drawing and explain anything. Let's say you're on a Zoom call, simply take out the little pencil tool and then start drawing and explaining anything you want, like this pretty ugly drawing of mine. So right off the bat, when I drew a circle, it basically fixed it up into a perfect circle like so. You can change between the pencil tool, line tool, text tool, eraser, or undoing, changing the color as well. There are even shortcuts. By simply pressing the L key, you can switch between the pencil to the line and vice versa. Also the text tool by simply pressing T. And right off the bat, we can put in some text. Now by using Whiteboard, you no longer have to try to explain what you're thinking to people online. Simply whip out Whiteboard and draw away.
This flat tire needs a man, but when there's no man around, when there's no man around, Goodyear should be. Why? Watch this. New Goodyear Double Eagle carries its own spare inside. Lifeguard safety spare. A tire in a tire. Keeps on going. Next time, give her a second chance.